This is the Luvhomee collapsible car caddy featuring a leak-proof insulated cooler that can keep items cold or warm, collapsible cup holders on both sides, a sturdy tray table lid, and ability to be secured in place with the headrest and seatbelt. I was sent this to review and it's amazing, so let me show you a closer look, including how to assemble it and secure it in the car. Some assembly required, but not a whole lot, and this is basically how compact it'll be for storage. It has a great visual guide on how to assemble it, makes it really easy, so let's go ahead and do it. This just expands right into a big old cube. It's insulated. The bottom is soft, and then from this bit, take this out and add this firm bottom, which is nice and easy to clean. Throw that down in here. There we go. And now this is your tray top. Inside is insulated. If you want to use the side pockets, they just pull out. Then you insert these supportive boards, which are gonna be nice and easy to clean. Then you're gonna add these cup holders. They've got Velcro on each side. There's Velcro on each side in here. So they will just pop in and secure like so on both sides. But again, you don't have to use these sides. If you want it more narrow, you can have those folded in and Velcroed inwards. Then it won't be as wide, but those are really great. You can hold 4 cups or water bottles here. This pops out as well. You could hold something huge here. Is meant for tissues. Oh, my box is too wide. A standard box is gonna be too wide, but if you have a shorter one, it's gonna fit in here and have the tissues coming out, so that's really cool. You've got a big pocket here, a mesh pocket here, and then a big wide pocket here. You can fill this with ice to keep it really cold, or ice packs if you don't want the mess. Fill this up with food, drinks, cans, whatever, and then the handles are inside here, and they're going to feed through the holes on the top of the lid. So it's really quick and easy. Look at how much weight that'll support. Make sure those handles are all the way through. And now look at this, just incredible. Really sturdy. Oh my gosh, wow. The final bit is this D-ring here, metal hooks, which are going to hook onto the little ring and help secure it to the car. There is even a belt clip here for the seat belt to go through. So you can just pour ice right in here. Personally, I like ice packs better. You can line them on the sides, on the bottom, and the top, and just put stuff in the middle if you really want to keep stuff cold, like drinks, meat, etc. You can also put a heat pack in here to help stuff stay warm, or if it's already warmed in a lunchbox, for example, just throw it in there. It'll help it keep warm. Ready to load up in the car. First, we're gonna attach this strap to one of the handle hooks, both ends. Then this part will open up and you attach it behind the headrest and secure it tight. And then you're gonna use the seatbelt to secure it down here. That way it won't slide. You can one-handed open it up, grab a snack, you name it. Oh, it's just so amazing. If you pull the handle out and pop the top back on, then you can access it with one hand while you're driving. Just open this up, get a snack or your drink, close it up again. You can keep things like pens on top. Then you can just grab chopstick, gum, you name it. Then inside, everything is kept either cool or warm. Your drink holders on either side, which you can use, or you can collapse it to be more compact. It even holds a big old Stanley and more narrow stuff. It's just an amazing accessory for your car, for long road trips, for commuting, you name it. I love this thing. It's amazing. I know you will too.